Chiefs, yeah, to network.
Yeah, through network.
Heartbeat of the Khosi Nation.
Khosi Nation. Love and peace.
Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs at Network. I'm your host, Spiro Makeleni, and as always, what's Spiro Matswane? Mapuana?
Sure, bro.
Otherwise?
I'm not. Yo! Defense must always be ready. So you can't one knee. So I throw,
we are talking. Same over. We are talking about the Mahlambi.
We want to attack. Yes.
We are talking about Seluluka Mahlambi. Is a 21-year-old.
Yes.
From TX Galaxy,
Yeah.
and he has his worth is about 8 million.
Okay.
And he played 29 matches.
Yes.
And managed to score, I think 6.
Yes.
And he had 4 assists.
10 goal contributions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the boy, he started playing for ETX Galaxy 2024 and 2025. He only had 1 appearance. But when he played 2025-2026, he played 29 games, scored 6 goals and had an assist of 4 goals. So Kaizer Chiefs is interested in the boy.
Nice one. This one is proper. They've given all the information. You can even close the video. Just ask the people to subscribe. I don't know what questions are you going to ask me. Please subscribe and comment in whatever that he said or your own opinion. No, we valid. No, it's a good boy, young child. Number one, I look at the fact that he is valued at 8 million. That's where Chiefs like it. Below 10.
Yeah.
That's their sweet spot. The level, below 10. I'm a player up below 10. So if it's below 10 and they have the money, Team Sogas and I'm not selling him. That's how obviously people say. But if the money is placed on the table, he has issues with tax. Might help him settle some tax. So he comes with a good experience on his shoulder for 1 season. He played 2 seasons, but the second season is more like his breakthrough season. When you see the goal contributions, you've already alluded to the fact that he scored 6, assisted 4. That's 10. Claude scored 5, assisted 4. He has 1 more on Claude. We are told. So he gives us something to work with.
Yeah,
where was he playing?
Yeah.
What kind of players was he playing with? Maybe Chiefs will give him a better motivation with the crowd and my family will know me. Because some people don't know TX Galaxy. I'm a player. Now Chiefs games are more televised. Maybe it will give him something more. Maybe he can score more goals. Oh, it can make him die because Chiefs also the jerseys have. But it's a gamble that one can take with the amount of money that they can buy him with. Maybe Mabanga 10 million and maybe they can get him Basane profit. I'm talking about Shutli Lepo he's going. Everybody is talking about it, that he's going. We know Chiefs, they will report it very late, but it's okay. We are here to report very early that he is going to go. And now what can help, in my opinion, is getting the money. Or right now, before getting the money, before Banbaz go to Nemal, Bazuk to resell, I need to Chiefs to bank to resell. Tata Lenyugu Onayo, Unaimal, very Chiefs, Tata Inyugu 30 meter. Beg a pants for Silly, my figure the man will replace. You're replacing the money. We sell a labin shares you call. Tata Lenye, the extra money, you go and buy another player again just to give a good image. But right now, so far, we have only 2 signings, but Seluleko can come and add a good thing.
Yeah, definitely, because of the boy is very young.
Yes.
So HM allow.
Yeah.
So we are looking forward for Kaizer Chiefs to buy also other players as well.
Yes.
Being interested in other players because of it looks like sometimes they are to the Kaizer Chiefs or it announces things early. But good thing Ilokus transfers are in September.
Yeah, they still have time.
Which gives them a bit more.
They still have time.
Yeah,
late September, not even early. Late after by 15. So it's still a good thing because mhlawumbe mayiqala bashawe kancane babone ukuthi abana team maybe I don't know. We'll see. So that they see that they don't have a team. Maybe they'll go and run to the market by your side because the transfer window closes September. What's your comment? Give us your comment below. Like the video, please. And don't forget that we are going to give another competition soon.
Yeah, giving another competition
all your likes and comments, they will reflect so that you stand a chance to win whatever that we are going to be giving you in the next competition. This is Kaizer Chiefs A2 Network. Love and peace.
Love and peace. Hi guys, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs A2 competition. The winner, you want to tell the people?
Congratulations once again. Also, thank you to everybody that has subscribed to our channel.
Yeah.
And we also give a shout out to Luke York. He's been #1 commenter. That's what he calls himself.
Yeah, he calls
himself Luke York. He has been #1 commenter, #1 liker. And so when we did the reshuffle, it was actually easy. It was actually a no-brainer who will win the iPhone. So congratulations. In the next 2 days or so, you'll be holding your iPhone, my brother.
3 to 5 days.
You must also continue to comment. Don't now stop commenting because you've won the iPhone. So yeah, he won the iPhone. Congratulations. Very soon we'll be giving another competition that we are going to be bringing. This is Kaizer Chiefs A2 Network. Continue to subscribe and like. Love and peace.
Love and peace.